Welcome inside the Visit Lethbridge.com arena as the Lethbridge Hurricanes open a 3-3 weekend against the Red Deer Rebels. Edwards finds Wormel, right boards Doyle, walks in, nice move, back door, great save by Peyton Shore. Chadwick sets up at the top, pass for Yeager, side of the net, a chance in front, and Edwards, rebound, scores. Top of the goal mouth, able to bang home a loose puck, a power play goal, and the Hurricanes up 1-0. Near side, Yeager, cross ice, Wormel, put to the front, they score! Breyer! Pressured by Derek Thurston, Yeager able to try and force it down the wall, Edwards to the blue line, Chadwick waits, put to the front, scores! 3 on the power play. Logan Wormel to fly-by deflection. And the Hurricanes have a 3-0 lead. That's a jump by Edwards. 2-on-1 shorthanded. Edwards in, rolling puck, settles across. Wormel hit the post. Breyer in on goal. Breyer lost the puck, now gets it back, couldn't get a shot away. Rolling puck, Wormel waits across. Breyer scores! On the left wing, Dranchak cuts in to the goal, and he couldn't. Now 17 3-1 on home ice. Win number 9 in a row. 4-1, the Hurricanes down the Red Deer Rebels.